is fun when you nurture the passion for it and continuously develop it through experiences. Welcome to Ankuran, the home of experiential learning. In India, science education is bound to textbooks and rote learning. Rather than applying knowledge to real-life situations, students frequently resort to simply recalling facts and formulas. This method typically stifles reasoning, critical thinking, and a deeper understanding. This results in young, inquisitive minds growing disengaged. Learning becomes a passive activity, detached from any real-world purpose. To bridge this crucial gap between learning and real-life application, Ankuran Foundation's first center in Durgapur, West Bengal, pioneered the Ankuran experiential learning model, a model driven by the 3 R's of experiential learning: rationalism, the understanding of cause and effect relationships in experiments; reflection, reflecting on the outcomes after completing each experiment; reiteration, experimenting multiple times by changing different parameters for a holistic understanding of the underlying concepts. Ankuran's hands-on learning experience ignites the spark of curiosity amongst school students. At Ankuran, students under expert guidance conduct a range of thought-provoking activities and immersive experiments driving innovation. With continuous reflection and reinforcement, students engage in laboratory experiments, robotics exploration, and observing and studying constellations. Ankuran Foundation is set to open 1 science center across each of the 797 districts of India. Currently, we are expanding with 2 world-class learning facilities at Madurai and Trichy in Tamil Nadu, which would directly impact the lives of over 5,000 students in the locality. Our facilities operate as independent social franchises managed by local sponsors like NGOs, community organizations, and businesses. Ankuran Foundation also partners with organizations to ensure every child, regardless of their financial background, has access to experiential science learning. In the heartbeat of India's youth, where 65% are under 35, Ankuran is a groundbreaking initiative to harness the vibrant energy of our youngest demography. With 80% of the future jobs requiring STEM skills, Ankuran is empowering children by removing obstacles to science education and preparing them for India's bright future. Let's unite to eliminate barriers in science education, ignite possibilities, and make India great.